Pleasant good afternoon to all my viewers and my subscribers. Guess what? I am so happy. Yes, I am so happy. I just got my Samsung Ultra S22. Whoa, trust me. I am so happy. So guess what? It comes with a little safety pin here, so you can pull your phone to take out the SIM card whenever you want. And I'm so anxious, I'm even falling over. So it comes with a USB Type C port. So both ends are Type C. You know, they are advancing to Type C port now. So that's it. You know. So I'm just gonna just show you and it also comes with a pen. So you can just push down to the pen and then it comes up and just give it a hard press. So this is my Samsung Ultra 22. You understand me? Yes, my viewers. So this is it. I had already turned on put the SIM card in. All right. So I'm just gonna pour it on now. So that's it. This is how it looks. This is a white one, but you know it doesn't really matter because you know I'm going to have it. I'm going to have it in case, so it does not really matter. So I'm just pouring it on right now. You know, I needed a new phone where I can be able to do my videos without. Whoa, I'm so anxious, my viewers, that I'm even dropping my phone already. So I'm just gonna just go through the little basic steps right here, you know, just to get certain basic settings set onto it right now. So you're just giving a restart here. Yes, my viewers, so you know I'm so happy. And this one comes with 512 GB, you know, so a lot of memory, you know, so I don't have to worry about storage problem for right now, you know. I can be able to do my videos without have to be worrying, you know. And it comes with it's two SIM port, right? Yeah, it's dual SIM, so you can use two SIM. You can use two SIM card. You know, I needed a better phone. I'm switching from a A32. Sign in automatically. Okay. Alright, so set up manually. Oh, the Wi-Fi code was. I wonder if I can remember the Wi-Fi code. Alright, let me try and get it from the tablet. I'm gonna try and get it from the tablet, my viewers. Yes. So trust my viewers, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I end up getting the phone. It should have been delivered from Monday or so, but I'm just getting it. You know, so I'm just gonna scan the QR code right now. All right, so that's a new way of putting in the password into a phone right now. You know, by scanning it. So you can see that my SIM card there is picking up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make a call whenever this is finished to see if all is working well. It's just taking a few minutes to get up, but trust me, it looks very nice, my viewers. You know, trust me, feeling so happy right now. You know, this is my birthday gift. Next week Thursday, that's the 5th of June. Um, will be my birthday. You understand? So I'm happy that I got it ahead of time. So these are just some basic stuff where you can just ignore them for the first, you know. You can basically ignore them for the first, and then afterward you can go in and set them up, you know. So so you can just ignore these issues, these for right now. What's going on here? Seems like I clicked on the wrong thing. Well, I think I'll just have to just ignore this part here for right now. Just want to just get past this stage. I'm gonna put it on dark. You know. Yes. So I'm going to try to make a call. Who should I call now? All right. I don't even know my company number. So this is a keypad. Um, who should I call right now? Who number I know out of my head? Oh, my son number go again. I'm gonna try dial my son number. 393. I think that's my son number. So I'm dialing. I think the number is wrong. Well, it's ringing. So I'm happy to see that the SIM card is actually working. All right. So I'm gonna check the camera now. All right. So the camera, see, the camera is on. So I'm gonna check the front camera. So it's also on. All right. So I'm gonna check the volume button, the up and the down button. So it's taking picture because I'm in the but see the volume there, volume down, volume up, and then the side button to close. So all seems to be working well so far. So I'm just gonna go into the to show you in terms of the storage, how much storage it is. You know, so I'm gonna show you down. I think I went down too far. Uh, where is storage? Can someone tell me storage? I don't see storage. All right, let me just type it in. I'm not seeing the storage. Seems like I'm so anxious. I'm moving a little bit fast, my viewers. I'm moving a little bit fast. All right, so this is the storage here. So you see, 512 gigabyte. So that's a lot of memory there, all right? A lot of memory. So I'll check to see if the software is up to date. Oh, it's done loading now. All right. So I'm just gonna update it. So trust me, it feels nice so far, my viewers. You know, maybe I haven't went through all of the basic features, but it feels nice. It feels very nice, you know. So I have my cable here, my little pin set, you know, so I can always walk with it somewhere or the other, you know. Yeah. So how does it looks to you? As So you see these cameras here, you know, as a YouTuber or a vlogger, you know, you need a quality phone, you know. So this is the box that it comes in, you know. This is the box that it came in, you know. You need a quality phone to conduct your videos and so on, you know. So it's uploading, it's downloading the updates. So I think I would have to just end this video right now until and next time I can give you some more updates in terms of what the camera looks like, the zoom in quality and the video quality. You know, I will have to give you another video on this. But this is my Samsung Ultra S22. All right. Seems like the time that is it closed off quickly. All right. It closed off quickly. So whenever I would have to set up this one afterward to set up to a different time, maybe 30 seconds or so. So my viewers and subscribers, I was trying to wait to see if I can wait till this one is finished. Then I end this video. But it's just update, and you know, overall your phone needs a little bit of updating every now and then. You know. So you see it's showing full Wi-Fi signal there. You know, and it's showing is 47%. So it came with about 50% usage. You know. Came with about 50% usage. So I haven't put both SIM card in as yet. So you have a few more seconds and it should be finished. So trust me, I'm really happy, my viewers. I'm really happy that I end up getting this phone ahead of the Reggae Boys match next week versus the BVI. So tonight I will finish, do the necessary changing over and all of that. You know, I will do the necessary changing over. So I'm gonna end this video, my viewers. So I just wanna thank you so much for watching, subscribing, like, share to Jah-P Sports Talk. So keep safe until I get to do another video in terms of the picture quality and all that. Oh, I didn't do one thing. I didn't try to charge the phone. So give me a second, my viewers. Give me a second. I'm coming back. So I'm going to plug in the charger now just to ensure, well, maybe it's not gonna show because it's updating, so it's not gonna show, but I'm gonna just put the charger in anyway. So I have the charger in, so it's gonna take some time. All right, it's gonna take some time, so I would have to end this video until next time. So my viewers and subscribers, remember it's type C, all right, and it's a dual SIM. All right, so I just want to thank the seller for getting me this phone, and everything seems to be working well so far. I'm just updating it and all now. So until next time, my viewers, Jah-P Sports Talk. Keep safe.